Yesterday, we talked about the penny, which is 1 cent, the nickel, which is 5 cents, and the dime, which is 10 cents. Today, we're going to be reviewing a quarter. So, a quarter is 25 cents. And here's the front, here's the back. As you can see, it says $quarter. So we know that that is 25 cents. We'll be using that in our activity today. All right, today we are going to be counting up quarters, but before we do, I wanted to go over the quarter pattern with you. So we all know that 4 quarters makes $1. Well, the pattern is pretty simple. So if you know that each quarter is 25 cents, you'll be able to fit the pattern. Or if you're unsure, you can always add up 25 cents for each quarter you have. So the pattern here, if you have a 1 quarter, it would be 25 cents. Or I could write it the other way. If I have 2 quarters, it would be 50 cents, or I could write it the other way as well. If I add 3 quarters together, it would be 75 cents, or writing it the other way. And then if I have 4 quarters, it would be 100 cents, or $1. Once I get to that, then my pattern repeats all the way up to the top. So the next one, if I have 5 quarters, it'd be 125 cents. Or if I want to write it in a different way, it'd be $1.25. All right, today we're going to use that to add up our change. Ms. Farr is going to share a couple of examples with you how to add up quarters and then how to add up all of the change we have talked about. So here, Ms. Farr is going to just draw some quarter coins here. We know that each quarter is worth 25 cents. So we're going to talk about how to add them up today on your assignment activity. So here, I have a bunch of quarters. What I'm going to do is put the value underneath it and add to it as I go. You're going to be doing this in your activity too. So the first quarter I have here, I know is 25 cents. Then I'm going to be following my pattern. So 25 plus another quarter, 50 cents, plus another quarter, 75 cents, plus one more is 100 cents. Then I'm repeating. So 100 cents plus another quarter is 125 cents. And 125 cents plus another quarter is 150 cents. So I'm going to write this now in 2 ways. I have 150 cents, but I'm going to show it in the dollar way. So I have $1 right here. I have 100. So $1 plus my decimal point. And what is smaller than a dollar is 50 cents. So that's my quarter example. I'm going to try and challenge you a little bit today with maybe a harder example with all of the coins we've talked about. So here I'm going to start with a couple of quarters. I'm going to add my dimes, being very careful when I draw them because I don't want them to look like P's for pennies. Okay, I have all of my change here. I have quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. We're going to count them up together. All right, so 1/4 is 25 cents. Plus another quarter is 50 cents. Plus another quarter, I know from my pattern, is 75 cents. All right, now I'm switching to dimes. A dime is worth 10 cents. So I have 75 plus 10. Ooh, 75 plus 10 is 85 cents. Then I take that again. I'm only changing my tens. So 85 plus 10 more is 95 cents. Then I'm going to add a nickel, which is worth 5 cents. So 95 plus 5 more is 100 cents. Then I'm changing one more time to my pennies. I have 100 plus 1 is 101 cents. 101 plus 1 is 102 cents. And 102 plus 1 more is 103 cents. So I'm going to write that in 2 ways, just like our activity today.